Do you doubt your partner? Have you ever wondered, does the person you love truly love you with all their heart? Are all their affectionate actions merely acting? Sometimes, even with a partner who loves us deeply, a seed of doubt falls into our minds, doesn't it? This is a story that tells how such doubts and unnecessary tests can destroy a profound relationship. It's the tragic conclusion of a test that occurred between a female bird living in the middle of a forest and the male bird who loved her unconditionally. Two birds lived on an old tree in a dense forest. The male bird loved the female bird more than his own life. However, as time went by, the female bird began to doubt the male bird's love. She often complained, "You don't love me like you used to." One cold winter day, the female bird proposed a strange test to resolve her doubts. "Tomorrow, before the sun rises, whoever reaches the base of this tree first will have the greater love. This is the competition," she declared. The male bird agreed with a gentle smile. The female bird flew back to her nest and slept, but the male bird feared. "What if I sleep and wake up late tomorrow? What if she doubts my love if I don't come?" So, he decided to stay awake all night long, enduring the harsh cold right there at the base of the tree. The cold was brutal, and his body trembled, but the male bird did not move. He stayed there with the belief that she will see me in the morning and finally understand my love. The next morning, the female bird eagerly arrived at the base of the tree. When she didn't see the male bird on the branch, she was disappointed, thinking, "He didn't come, he doesn't love me." However, when she looked down at the base of the tree by chance, she was horrified. The male bird lay there, frozen and stiff in the snow, dead. To prove his love, he had given up his life, enduring that cruel cold all night long. Beside him lay a petal from a flower he had once given her and one of his own feathers. Seeing this, the female bird wept bitterly. She wailed, "You gave your life just to resolve my doubt, but the lost life could never return." Likewise, in our lives, there must be trust in love, and it should never be tested. Doubt can destroy a beautiful relationship in an instant. If one fails to understand a person's silent sacrifice, all that remains in the end is tears. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.